Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source products from the HomeDepot.com to sell on your Amazon FBA business, right? But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do weekly coaching calls for you guys, and it's also a good place for you guys to network with other Amazon sellers. So with that said, this is how you guys do or search products from the Home Depot, right? Step one is obviously to go to the HomeDepot.com. And then from here, you guys would pick any product. So I picked this product because I've sold this in the past on Amazon. So I start here, and then I usually scroll down to the bottom of the page where it takes me to many other products, right? So again, you start with one, and then you kind of rabbit trail and look at the other ones too. Okay, so and then from here you pick any product that you like. So I would go down the list, and then I would search this product. So channel lock's the name of the brand. Channel lock. And then you look for the exact product on Amazon. Okay, I think we found it. But the problem with this is it's $29 on Amazon and it's 32 on Home Depot. So obviously there's no margin, right? To make some profit. So I would skip this one. And then I would pick another product from the Home Depot. So let's try this one. So DeWalt is the brand name. Let's see. So DeWalt Max Fit screwdriver set with sleeve. Okay, I think it's this one. It's for I think it's $19. Let's see if there's any margin. I don't think so, but we can try it. So this one is $13.47, right? From the Home Depot. $13.47 Home Depot. And the sale price on Amazon is $18, $18.99. So if you price it here, right, at like $30, you guys are gonna be making a 30% ROI or $4 profit. So that would work if you want to. I just don't recommend it because these other sellers are selling this product for such a lower cost. So it's going to be hard to compete with these other sellers, right? Because of the price. Um, but hey, we found the product. Um, the numbers just don't make sense. So we move on to the next one. So again, we close this again. And this is how it is, guys. With product research, you got to be patient. You're not going to find a product right away. And that's why we usually use virtual assistants to look for products for us, because it's just, it takes time to find one product, right? So yeah, let's keep it moving. Next product. So it's a Crescent tool set. Let's see, find it. Oh, this was 139. Interesting. Okay. I don't think it's here though. Let's see. I'm not seeing it here. Mm-mm. Yeah, not seeing it. So let's keep it moving. Here, let's try this one. So Bucket Boss. Hmm. I think it's this one. Man, they're priced the same. So again, we found the exact same product, right? But then there's no margin because it's 1971 on Home Depot and 1971 on Amazon. So there's no margin. Yeah, unless you sell down here, which I don't recommend. Yeah, so I'll give you guys an example, right? So 1971. So yeah, you can't sell it at this price. Oh man, no, it's not gonna work because you guys need to sell this at $40, which is almost double, the first seller's price versus Amazon. So it's not gonna work. So keep moving. Um, or this one. Let's try this one. So client tools. Let's see. Man, there's no margin either. So 37.97. Is it even the same one? Same one. Yeah, it looks the same. Let's see, 37.97. The thing is, there's no margin though, right? So again, you gotta price this thing higher, which won't work because Amazon's on the listing and they're selling this product for such a lower price. Let's look at the keep chart. Yeah, Amazon's been on this listing for a while, so it's not gonna work. But I do hope that you guys got value from the video. And again, this is how you guys look for products from Home Depot. So start with HomeDepot.com, right? And then you pick any random product from the Home Depot, and then from here you search the product on Amazon, right? You do a reverse search, and then once you find it, you run the numbers, and once you run the numbers, if it does, if it's good, you buy it, of course, for your business. If not, you move on to the next product. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please don't forget to join my free VIP Amazon group because I do my free weekly calls on that group. I'm going to post the the link in my description below, so you guys can join. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.